Hey love, Wayna here and welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. I am so happy to be celebrating the holidays with you, and I'm gonna show you a little bit of my small apartment decor. Now I did a video already where I showed you a few ideas that I used when decorating a small space. So if you haven't checked that video out, make sure you go and do so. And in this video, I'm going to show you more in detail so you can see exactly how it looks and feels in a small space. All right, you ready? Oh, and do me a favor, hit that like button, okay? It's free 99 and it helps your girl out, okay? So let's start with the entryway. What does it look like when you enter my home for the Christmas season? All right, come on in, come on in. This is the view as you enter my small apartment. You're gonna see Jackson wagging his tail, and then this is what it looks like at night. So this year I am going with a very colorful vibe. I have had a lot of this decor, like this wreath, since like 2014, and I have not done any colorful decorations in quite a while. So this year I decided to, make everything colorful, and I didn't buy much. For the entryway, I purchased the nutcracker that's next to the Christmas tree from Target, and the other one is from Michael's. And these little discs are from Walgreens from a long time ago. I just thought that they would look really nice up against the black and white, and just add a little bit of holiday cheer next to Jackson's eating station. Now, I do have to move his bowls over and inspect like his water bowl, which actually I don't use his water bowl. I actually put a second bowl inside of his food container. But yeah, so carrying that colorful vibe into the living room, I added some color to my coffee table, and then I also added some color to the Christmas tree. The coffee table has a glass vase with colorful vase fillers, which I purchased from Hobby Lobby, and I had these picks from last year. This year, the Christmas tree is looking a little fuller because I decided to add some picks into the Christmas tree, and I think that made a really big difference. So this is my little colorful tree. And here's a tip. If you do try colorful decor, if you add black, it'll kind of tone down the colors. And if you haven't seen the previous video, like I mentioned before, I share tip by tip all of the things that I've done to kind of add a holiday vibe to my space, to the small living space that I am in. And I went with houndstooth this year because I don't know if you've been paying attention to like fashion, but colors were in this spring, especially pink. So I just wanted to pay tribute to classic patterns and things like that, and kind of give the space like a designer feel. I don't know, I'm loving it. The other thing that I did was pick up new throw blankets. This one here on the chase is from Target, and it is so plush. I love these type of blankets. It's like a velvety material on one side, and then it's like a plush, fluffy feeling on the other. I love it. Oh, and I picked this pillow up from IKEA, and it kind of ties into the chair, as you can see. And the pillow and the throw blanket on the chair is from Target. I really love the snowflake pillow. It really gives like that Christmas vibe. And then above is my Christmas trees. I picked this one up from Michael's. It kind of looks like somebody painted that Christmas tree with some paint. That's why I like that one. And just added some other small Christmas trees I purchased from Target. Now, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm gonna point it out. I really need to change this wallpaper because it is starting to show, and yeah, I'm bored with it anyway. So that'll be next. All right, on this side, I didn't do anything crazy. I'd have another mini tree. And again, I am tying in all of the colorful bulbs just because I have it kind of like in a triangular shape, like one's at the door, one's, the Christmas tree, and then you also have the bookcase. But I really love the bookcase this year because it's simple on the sides, and then you have that wow factor in the middle, and then you actually can turn this tree on as well and it'll light up. There's a little button underneath. Also, that tree was actually wood, and I covered it with black contact paper because I did not like the wooden tones that the original base had. I'll show you in a few minutes. But just by adding the contact paper, it really made the base of the tree stand out. Yeah, so this was the color. Wasn't feeling it at all. So yeah, I love the mini balls and the tool, and just the simplicity of everything. And as you can see, I have added new wallpaper to this side. Like, your girl is just crazy with it. But yeah, I picked up this really cute tray from the dollar spot, and I like to rest my spoons on there when I'm cooking. It is food safe, so I really like that. Super simple, but gets the job done. And then on top of the refrigerator, we have Elroy and Leroy holding it down, getting their drink on, guarding the snacks. And I also added a holiday pick to that plant also, if you can't see it. Now, this was one of my favorite purchases, this Merry Grinchmas rug from Amazon. And it was a little small, so I knew I would have to layer it. So I picked up this buffalo check rug from Hobby Lobby, and it was the perfect size, but I still wasn't feeling it. I found this rug from Amazon, and the longer rug is a super absorbent rug. So when I'm washing dishes or unloading the dishwasher and water gets on the rug, it immediately evaporates. So I ended up swapping this one out for the other one, which I really wish I would have kept it. I just have so much decor stuff I couldn't keep it, but it was only $4. So yeah, that was my favorite. And then I also picked up this hand and dish soap dispenser. I really like this one because it comes with these really nice labels, and I really like the finish of the pump. I had some amber colored bottles, but like I said, these just kind of give more of a holiday feel, and Bay actually said he liked it too, so that was cool. I just need a tray for it now. But moving on to my bedroom, I picked up one of these glass trees from Target that were super popular this year. And recently I was browsing West Elm's website, and I see that they have trees similar to the tree that I'm showing you, but it is a lot more expensive. So yeah, hopefully it's still in style next year because I really like these trees. I see a lot of people rocking them too. So yeah, I just added it to my tray. And this year I purchased more holiday apparel like this head wrap and this body wrap from Target, as well as other pajamas. And I just feel like it gives the Christmas holiday spirit, and you need that when you're living in a warmer climate because it literally does not feel like Christmas. But yeah, this was my tour. If you want to add holiday cheer to your bathroom, cover your toilet paper using festive tissue paper. All you have to do is wrap your toilet paper and stick the excess tissue paper in the middle, and voila, you have Christmas decor in your bathroom. All right, so that is all that I have done for this holiday season. Like I said, I absolutely love my space. It is not too Christmassy, like traditional, but it's not too electric because I tried my best to ground all of the colorful bulbs with black to tone all of the vibrancy down. Also, let me know if you have started decorating yet, because last year I waited until 2 weeks prior to Christmas and I said I was not going to do that this year. And it feels so much better to have decorating out of the way, checked off. And yes, my decorations will be up until Martin Luther King Jr. Day, but that's my business. So, whatever. So, all right, as always, don't forget, be you, be beautiful, be chic on a budget, and I will see you on my next upload. All right? Later, boo. Merry Christmas.